So earbuds are everywhere these days. Everybody wants a piece of that Apple AirPod action as far as like just making tons of money off of them. Today, we're talking about BackBeat Pro 5100s from Plantronics. So we've had them for a few weeks and these might be my new favorite earbuds. Stick around, we'll talk about why. The exterior is IPX4 rating for dust, sweat, and water resistant. There's a button on each bud that does different things when you press or tap it. Initially, the left bud is for volume up and down, the right bud is play, pause, and tap twice to skip a song or to take an incoming call. But the cool thing about it is that if you download the BackBeat app in the Android or iOS, you can program them to do a bunch of different other things like access your desired assistant, whether it be Google Assistant, Siri, Alexa, Spotify playlists, battery life, timer, and a few more things you can do with it. All this while being small enough, but not being too small, where you put them in your ear comfortably, they don't protrude out too much, and kind of just the right size. All while providing a nice seal to be comfortable in your ear to wear all day, or wear it until the battery drains, but we'll get to the battery in a moment. So if you're new to our channel, we're a huge fan of the Plantronics sounds. You got 5.8mm drivers that create a nice balance of richness, clarity, and just the right amount of bass for its audio output with little to zero latency. Listen to Spotify playlists, podcasts, watching YouTube, watching Titans on DC Universe and all that different stuff, and they sound great. So one of the cooler things about them is that you can use them independently. So you don't have to take both of them out and use them at the same time. You can leave one in the case and use the other one while driving and use it as a Bluetooth to talk on the phone with. These do have 4 noise canceling mics using the new WinSmart technology that focuses on picking up your voice and trying to block out everything else. I mean, they're earbuds, so they're not quite noise canceling, but the noise canceling works when you're using voice actions or voice phone calls or different things. Now for the battery life. So these guys offer a good amount of juice. I mean, they're not doing 8 to 10 hours. There are some earbuds out there doing those kind of numbers, but it kind of gets a nice kind of in between. So you get 6.5 hours. The charging case gives you up to 3 full charges. A 10-minute charge will give you an hour of juice. So what I'm saying is, I think that these guys offer the best balance between the different things most consumers are looking for in regards to earbuds. We like them, we think you'll like it too. So any comments, questions, sound off in the comments below. Thanks for watching, because of course you could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with us. So we appreciate you for doing so. And see you in the next video. Peace.